Thank you so much. This is quite a unique day, not only for Ghana, but for West Africa, indeed the rest of Africa. As you see that all the observer missions are led by very senior citizens of the continent. So you should know that the whole continent is interested in the elections in Ghana. And Ghana is a good example of a democracy in West Africa, indeed the rest of Africa. And we believe that Ghanaians will maintain that position. They will not deviate from that. So today is a unique day. We've been on ground for quite some time. Even in October, we were here for pre-election interactions with key stakeholders. We've been out today. We've seen quite a number of places. We visited 3 stations, but each station has like 3 voting units. So total is about 9 or a little more. So we observed a reasonable number of places. So far, voting is going on commendably. We just believe that is maintained the whole day. Some places the queues are very short. Some places are reasonably long, like this one we are seeing. I would believe that it's still quite early. I would believe that the turnout before midday will be quite high. We wish Ghanaians well, and we are pleading and calling everybody to come out and vote. See, you must take a decision. You must play a role in electing your leaders. Your ballot must speak for yourself. You cannot stay at home and complain that government has done this, government did not do this. Come and exercise your right to select your leader. And I believe Ghanaians are known for that, and they will do just that. We're hopeful that it will be maintained. So far, we've not heard of any untoward behavior, even from the voters or from other people. We only pray and hope that we'll maintain this the whole day. But it's too early to make a concluding statement. We also ask questions, ask people who are in other parts of the country. But so far, no, towards conduct.
How did you?
Because we are not technically election observers. We don't issue reports. We're here to see that there are no crises. That is the main thing of the West African Elders Forum. If there are issues, we join the stakeholders to deal with the issues. So we don't push people into the hinterland. So we cannot make a comprehensive statement about the elections in the country until we meet with the ECOWAS observers. I think that meeting will be tomorrow. We'll meet with the AU observers. We'll meet with the Commonwealth observers. Then we'll have an idea about what goes on in the whole country.
You were.